Good morning children. In previous video we have discussed about transportation in animals. Okay beta. So before we'll start excretion, first of all we will discuss about transportation in plants. Okay. Like animals, plants also need to transport water, minerals, salt, nutrients as well as remove the wastage from the body. जैसे human being and other animals में process होता है बेटा. So similarly transportation is very important for plants as well. Understood बेटा? क्योंकि उनको भी सर्वाइव करना है फॉर फोटोसिंथेसिस. यू हैव स्टडीड इन द लेसन नंबर 1 फॉर द फोटोसिंथेसिस प्लांट्स नीड वाटर एंड मिनरल दैट विल बी ट्रांसपोर्टेड फ्रॉम द सॉइल and they intake carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. So how water and minerals are transported in the plants beta? Water and minerals water and minerals both are transported in plants by a tissue, by a tube like structure that is known as xylem. Like in जैसे ह्यूमन बॉडी में बेटा वेन्स एंड आर्टरीज ट्रांसपोर्टेड न्यूट्रिशन अलॉन्ग विथ ब्लड. जैसे ब्लड ट्रांसपोर्ट होता है बेटा आर्टरीज एंड वेन्स के थ्रू. सिमिलरली वाटर्स एंड मिनरल्स आर ट्रांसपोर्टेड थ्रू अ जाइलम. जाइलम इज अ पाइप लाइक और ट्यूब लाइक स्ट्रक्चर. ओके, दैट हेल्प्स in the transporting of water and mineral from the roots to leaves. Okay beta, so water and minerals are transported from the roots to leaf by the pipe, by the tube like structure that is known as xylem. Understood beta? Now next question is how food is transported in plants and animals. अगर वाटर एंड मिनरल्स ट्रांसपोर्ट होगा बेटा, एज वी नो दैट बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस दे विल प्रिपेयर द फूड. सो हाउ फूड इज ट्रांसपोर्टेड इन प्लांट्स? फूड इज ट्रांसपोर्टेड बाय अनदर ट्यूब लाइक स्ट्रक्चर दैट इज नोन एज फ्लोएम. दैट इज नोन एज फ्लोएम बेटा. फ्लोएम इज द अनदर ट्यूब लाइक स्ट्रक्चर that helps in transporting the food which is made up of after the process of photosynthesis. So that food is transported to the different part of the plant. Understood beta? So like a human being, transportation is very important in plants as well. Water and minerals that are the raw material which are required for the photosynthesis, so वो materials transport होता है through the xylem. Okay, and food is transported by the next tube like structure that is known as phloem. Okay, and transporting of water and mineral is known as the transportation, means a process by which xylem transport water and minerals from root to the leaf, that is known as transportation. Okay, I'm repeating again beta. The process in which water and minerals are transported from root to leaf by the tube like structure that is xylem, this process is known as transportation. And the process by which foods are transported from the leaf to all parts of the plant by a pipe like structure that is known as phloem, and this process is known as translocation. So what is the difference between transportation and translocation in plants? That is clear. Okay, transporting food materials from leaf to other parts, that is translocation, and the process by which water and minerals are transported, that is known as transportation. So transportation process में क्या होता है? water mineral transport होता है बेटा from root to leaf, and in the process of translocation food is transported from leaf to rest part of the plant. Okay, xylem and phloem टुगेदर दैट इज नोन एज वस्कुलर टिश्यू, इसको हम वस्कुलर टिश्यूज बोलते हैं और वस्कुलर बंडल्स। ओके बेटा, सो फ्लो चार्ट्स के थ्रू अगर मैं बताऊं आपको, सो देयर आर 2 वस्कुलर tissues or bundles. One is xylem, another is phloem. Xylem transport water and minerals from the roots. Phloem transport food from the leaves. Here that process is known as transportation, and this process is known as translocation beta. So I hope there's no doubt in this topic. In next video we'll discuss about excretion, so read that part, excretion in human beings as well as excretion in plants. So kidney and उसके function क्या दिया है बेटा, उसको read करो. In next video we will discuss about that.